Welcome to this learning session about ITIL Operational Support and Analysis. The Operational Support and Analysis module is one of the ITIL Service Capability modules. It will be of interest to professionals who are preparing for a career in IT service management. Introduction. Course objective and target audience. The course is best suited to professionals and individuals who have successfully completed the ITIL Foundation certification and wish to advance to higher level ITIL certification. OSA, being a capability module, is best recommended to those keen in pursuing the process aspects of its service management. This course will enable the participants with the desired technical knowledge and skills to use OSA processes, activities and functions to achieve operational excellence. Course Agenda. This interactive e-learning program, with its structured course cover, will help in better understanding of the fundamentals and designing of services. The course will cover the topics listed on the slide. Qualification Roadmap. This slide depicts the ITIL qualification structure. The tiered structure of the qualification offers candidates the choice to complement career goals by focusing their studies on key areas of interest. ITIL offers 5 different certification levels: Foundation, Practitioner, Intermediate, Expert, Master. ITIL uses a credit system. Ultimately, a total of 22 credits is required to achieve ITIL Expert certification. The OSA module is worth 4 credits. ITIL Framework. The context of this publication is to act as a source of good practice in service management. ITIL is used by organizations worldwide to establish and improve capabilities in service management. The ITIL core consists of 5 publications as featured in the figure on the slide. Each provides the guidance necessary for an integrated approach as required by the ISO IEC 20000 standard specification. Service Strategy, Service Design, Service Transition, Service Operation, Continual Service Improvement. Service. Services. A means of delivering value to customer by facilitating outcomes customers want to achieve without the ownership of specific costs and risks. Service management is set of specialized organizational capabilities for providing value to customers in the form of services. Services may be defined by specifications, but customer outcomes are the genesis of services. Process. Processes define actions, dependencies and sequence. Well-defined processes can improve productivity within and across organizations and functions. A process is organized around a set of objectives. The main outputs from the process should be driven by the objectives and should include process measurements, metrics, reports and process improvement. Characteristics of processes. Processes have the following characteristics. Processes are measurable, we are able to measure the process in a relevant manner. It is performance driven. Managers want to measure cost, quality and other variables while practitioners are concerned with duration and productivity. They have specific results. The reason a process exists is to deliver a specific result. This result must be individually identifiable and countable. While we can count changes, it is impossible to count how many service desks were completed. So change is a process and service desk is not, it is a function. Processes have customers. Every process delivers its primary results to a customer or stakeholder. They may be internal or external to the organization, but the process must meet their expectations. They respond to specific events. While a process may be ongoing or iterative, it should be traceable to a specific trigger. Functions. Functions are a way of structuring organizations to implement the specialization principle. Functions typically define roles and the associated authority and responsibility for a specific performance and outcomes. Coordination between functions through shared processes is a common pattern in organization design. Functions tend to optimize their work methods locally to focus on assigned outcomes. Utility and warranty. From the customer's perspective, value consists of two primary elements: utility or fitness for purpose and warranty or fitness for use. Utility is perceived by the customer from the attributes of the service that have a positive effect on the performance of tasks associated with desired outcomes. Removal or relaxation of constraints on performance is also perceived as a positive effect. Warranty is derived from the positive effect being available when needed, in sufficient capacity or magnitude, and dependably in terms of continuity and security. Utility is what the customer gets, and warranty is how it is delivered.